Hi, this is Subhan Sheikh and this is my take on the 1945 film Citizen Kane. Orson Welles is definitely the most important figure in the making of this film since he directed this film, he produced this film, and he also stars in it. Apart from that, Herman J. Mankiewicz did an amazing job writing this masterpiece. Throughout the years, many filmmakers have been saying that this is the best film ever made. It's kind of hard to believe since this was made in the 40s and it did such a great job. There are a lot of emotions involved in the making of this film. The storytelling in this movie is just insane. Some people may say it's slow paced and kind of boring, but even after all that, we all know this is a masterpiece and it kind of stands out from other films because of its cleverness and uniqueness in the plot.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Faiza Sheikh. Today I am here for giving a presentation about one film and the film name is Citizen Kane. Okay, the second movie is Citizen Kane, the role of film production team. Directed by Orson Welles, written by Herman G. Dodd. Cast is Orson Welles, Marion Davis, Josh Cotton, Ruth Warrick, Everett Sloan. The film was released on 1st May 1914.
And our second thing, the other film is Citizen Kane. That film directed by Orson Welles and George Seaver. Orson Welles is also director, producer, and actor was this film.
ये जो मूवी है सिटीज़न केन, इसका अहम ख़याल ज़िंदगी की तर्जुमानी है और इस मूवी का मुझ पे कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं है।
Ubaid Abbasi 42965. The movie Citizen Kane is the most interesting movie ever I have seen. It gathers all the lesson of the emerging era of sound. The technical work has been done very strongly, and the sounds and design of this effects used in movie are exactly the same as a deaf person can experience in his life.
My name is Wali Sheikh and my registration number is 5199. I'm going to tell you about the second film, the name Citizen of Kane. The main idea of Citizen Kane was to create a new style of filmmaking by studying various forms and combining them into one. This film is an encyclopedia of old techniques and pointed out the composition that used both foreground and background in the film. The impact of the film The Citizen Kane has that it is timeless story about absolute power, corruption absolutely, and it is told in a way that uses the best techniques that cinema has to offer then or now.
इस मूवी की स्ट्रेंथ मेरे मुताबिक इस पे जो पैसा स्पेंड किया है बनाते वक्त, जैसे वो एंटिक्स मंगाना और डिफरेंट साइड पे कवरेज करना, ये इस मूवी की स्ट्रेंथ लगती है मुझे। इस मूवी की काफ़ी ज़्यादा वीकनेस मेरे ख़्याल से सबसे पहले जो रेटिंग आती है टाइपिंग टाइप की 15-10 मिनट तक, और उसके बाद म्यूज़िक, जो स्टार्टिंग का म्यूज़िक और जो सीन दिखाते हैं वो किसी हॉरर मूवी जैसी होती है, बट मूवी हॉरर नहीं होती। जो दूसरी वीकनेस मुझे लगी, जो हॉरर मूवी जैसे इफ़ेक्ट देते वो लोग, पर वो होती ही नहीं है। और तीसरी, जो बीच में जो एक्टर फोर्थ वॉल ब्रेक करता है, कैमरे के अंदर देखता है काफ़ी जगहों में, वो एक वीकनेस थी, ये वीकनेस लगी। और चौथी वीकनेस, काफ़ी मिक्सअप हो जाती है मूवी कि वो मरता है तो रोज़बर्ड कहता है, फिर वो इन्वेस्टिगेट करते हैं रोज़बर्ड क्यों कहा, और उस रोज़बर्ड के चक्कर में पूरी उसकी बचपन से लेकर आखिर तक पूरी एक फ़िल्म आती है। बजाय इसके ये भी कर सकते थे, जो मेरा ख़्याल है, कि पहले उसका बचपना दिखाते हैं, बचपना में जब वो अडॉप्ट किया उसे, फिर वो बड़ा हुआ और वो कैसे अमीर हुआ, किसने अडॉप्ट किया, ये सब आता तो एक लाइन से सीक्वेंस से चलता तो वो काफ़ी बेहतर रहता, बजाय कि पहले उसको मार दिया रोज़बर्ड कह के जो वर्ड कहता है, उसके बाद सारी मूवी जो सारा सीन है या सारी उसकी लाइफ है वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आती है।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आई एम नोमान अली। अगर इस मूवी में स्ट्रेंथ की बात की जाए तो इस मूवी में सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ ये है कि ये मूवी बनाई गई है एक रियल लाइफ स्टोरी पे, और इस मूवी में मेन रोल प्ले किया है ऑर्सन वेल्स ने, जो सिटीजन केन मूवी का प्रोड्यूसर एंड डायरेक्टर है। और ये मूवी इंस्पायर्ड है अमेरिका के बहुत ही बड़े बिजनेसमैन, पॉलिटिशियन और न्यूज़पेपर पब्लिशर के विलियम रैंडोल्फ की लाइफ से, और ये कहानी अमेरिका के बहुत ही अमीर तरीन इंसान चेस फॉस कैन की। अगर इस मूवी में वीकनेस की बात की जाए तो मेरे हिसाब से कोई भी वीकनेस नहीं है, सवाई ये कि ये मूवी ब्लैक एंड वाइट है। और इस मूवी में डायरेक्शन एंड एडिटिंग की बात की जाए तो ये मूवी बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से डायरेक्ट की गई है, क्योंकि ये मूवी बहुत ही पुरानी है और 1841 की, और इस मूवी बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से डायरेक्ट किया गया है।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jawad Shah and I'm from Ikra NST EDC campus and my registration number is 52543. The strength of the greatest and the famous movie of all time, Citizen Kane, it's his director, Orson Welles. Without his vision, this movie wouldn't be possible, as he directed, acted, and he also wrote this movie. The weaknesses I find in this movie was the opening scenes, which made it look like a horror movie, but 2 minutes later it was not a horror movie, it was a realist mystery drama. And the other thing which I find weakness of this movie was the authorship, as the co-writer Mackenzie fought with Orson Welles over many times for the credit of the authorship of this movie.
Citizen Kane, produced in 1941, had a great impact on Hollywood and was the revolution point for Hollywood because the camera techniques, angles for taking shots, lighting, everything was different from that time. And still, same techniques of Citizen Kane movie are used in Hollywood because those were the perfect views, angles which a perfect movie should have.
The film, compared to other films, Citizen Kane introduced Hollywood to the creative potential of the cinematic techniques as well. One such innovation was a technique known as the wipe, where one image is wiped off the screen by the another. Other innovation involves unique experiment with the camera angles.
एंड जो दूसरी फिल्म थी सिटीजन कैन, यू नो दिस फिल्म आल्सो ओल्ड, तो मैं उस पुरानी फिल्मों के हिसाब से मैं इस फिल्म की जो प्रेफर करूँगा वीडियो क्वालिटी की, और जो वीडियो का जो रिज़ल्ट होता है वो मुझे पुरानी फिल्मों से काफ़ी बेहतर लगा, तो आई थिंक इस वीडियो इज़ वेरी गुड।
Assalamu alaikum, this is Mohammad Hassan Masood from Group 21. My registration number is 52504. The movie's name is Citizen Kane and has a very unique story throughout the movie. The story is very interesting and staying with our main storyline lead character / key element Mr. Foster Kane, who is dying because of his old age holding a snow globe. He died saying a simple word, Rosebud. There is a reporter present at that time. Mr. Kane dies and he wonders about the word that Mr. Kane said, and start investigating about the word Rosebud and tell his assistant to find about it. In the specific shot we choose from the movie start with the 447 employees of the New Year Inquirer nominating a trophy to welcome Mr. Foster Kane back home. The key element of this shot are the trophy and Mr. Foster Kane. The framing used in the shot is size equal power, in which the camera is showing the trophy real close to show the importance, and it was more than 2% shot. The camera movement was still in the first shot, and then the camera moves as the lead character makes his entry in the shot. A wide angle lens was used in the entire sequence. A pleasant music was used in the shot to make the sequence epic and sensible. There is a simple editing into the cuts, and no special transition and no special cuts either. The thing that is holding the entire sequence is the trophy, which is our key element, and the lead character with his 447 other employees. The framing used in the entire film is simple rule of thirds. Medium shots, the continuity of the movie was the story we have written. The most used camera angles in the entire movie are over the shoulder, 1% shot, 2% shot, and size equal power.